Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the AP Calculus AB AP test. Now this AP test is comprised of two sections, multiple choice and free response. Both sections are worth 50% of your exam score, totaling to 100%. The multiple choice has two parts. Part A, 30 questions, calculator not allowed, and 60 minutes. Part B, 15 questions, 45 minutes, graphing calculator required. Now for the free response, there are 6 questions in total. Part A, 2 questions, 30 minutes. The graphing calculator is required. Part B, 4 questions, 60 minutes. Calculator not allowed. Now I will go through the different types of problems and some examples. So here you see Part A of the multiple choice exam. These are what typical questions will look like, and they will test you on your knowledge of formulas, theorems, and properties. For example, differentiation is shown here, Riemann sums are shown here. This is Part B of the multiple choice exam. If you can recall, a graphing calculator is required for most of these problems. Without it, you cannot get decimal answers as accurate to 3 decimal points. And you cannot solve complex differentiation problems and integration problems. A little tip as a former AP exam student, some of these questions in Part B do not require a calculator and can go faster without one. Now onto the free response questions. Part A consists of 2 questions and usually has multiple parts, A, B, C, D. Now these questions require a calculator and usually will require you to compute an integral on your graphing calculator and explain reasoning. And Part B, 4 questions usually do not require a calculator. For example, here is a differentiation problem. Usually for these types of questions, part A and B in the free response, you will need to show all work and prove your theorems in order to receive full credit on the exam. As long as you can study your theorems and formulas correctly, you will receive a 5 on your AP exam.